Let's go ahead now and unwrap the car. And there we are, guys. The car now is unwrapped. Hey, what's up, guys? Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, guys, I'm actually unboxing my Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. That's right, guys. The Super Veloce Iota. It's a kid's ride-on car. And guys, the brand is called Freddo. I see it here. It says Freddo. So Freddo. So let's go ahead now, guys, and unbox it. I've got my trusty Cutco knife here. I've got, guys, the straps off. Alright. Let's get now the plastic wrap off. And there you have it, guys. I've got all the plastic wrap off. Okay. Put off to the side. Let's go ahead now, guys, and open up the box. Alright. There we are, guys. We'll take off the next flap. Two flaps. Alright. So starting off here, we have a big piece of cardboard. I'll lift it up. Okay, and you can immediately see the car inside. That was the flap of cardboard. Okay, I'll put off the side here, guys. And right off the bat, you can immediately see the actual car. And here's something, could be the rear diffuser. I'll show you guys the car. And here, guys, is the car. That's right. It's actually red. It's a red car. I picked red. They had multiple choices like yellow, red, orange, white, possibly green, black. But I went with red because the other car that we have is a push car that's also red, and it's a Ferrari 488 GT3 car. So guys, let's go ahead now and take out the pieces of the car and unbox it. Alright, guys, so the second item is now the rear spoiler. Here it is. That's the rear spoiler. Okay. Got that there. Next is a big piece here. You guys can see it here. Could be a windshield. Yep, okay. Next up is the actual car. So we'll get the items off of here. And here it is, guys, the actual car itself. Okay. The rest of the box here, guys, is empty. Put off to the side. Let's go ahead now and unwrap the car. And there we are, guys. The car now is unwrapped. It's a nice red color. I'm sure, guys, the Italians will call it Rosso Blank. I'm not sure what the blank is, but in English, it's just red. So the wheel wells, yep, they have some kind of cardboard box in them. And the rear ones have some kind of styrofoam padding, okay? And in the actual cockpit of the car, there's the actual wheels. And it has the actual brake rotor and brake caliper painted red. It's much the car, I guess. They could have picked a better color, like yellow or something, but whatever. So you have four wheels. They all look the same, with the red caliper and the brake rotor. You have the Aventador steering wheel. There it is, with the red racing ring on it. Absolutely wonderful, guys. And there it is, guys. Fantastic. You can see it. It's even got the Lamborghini logo on it. Wonderful. Okay. Put off the side. It's got the leather seats. It's got a controller box here. Okay. Let's take it out and see what it is. Oh, it's white. It's a white controller. And there it is. Okay. Some instructions, obviously. So I'll put off the side. Next, guys, is in the box. Okay, here's the box. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a charger. So wall charger cube for US outlets. Okay. Let's put off the side. And next, we have some manuals here. And some hardware. And an aux cable. And owner's manual and instructions. Wonderful, guys. Next in here is the actual seats themselves that are wrapped up. And in the back we have the actual hubcaps or the wheels. Okay. And I'll show you what it looks like. There they are. Okay. They have the Lamborghini emblem in the middle of them. Oh my goodness, guys. I love the design, the spokes. And that it's a center lock wheel. Oh, there's one more wheel back here. Okay. So the last wheel. Alright. And there's a battery in here with some cables and some instructions writing. Okay. And I also have some kind of small bag of pieces here. Alright, put off the side. And that's it. The back on the seats. Oh, the seats come out. Okay. Seats come out. One bag for you guys. See? There's the actual seat. It's got the red and black two-tone with the Lamborghini emblems printed on the seat. Absolutely wonderful, guys. These are actual leather seats. So in case you spill your drinks or whatever, they'll be easy to clean. Okay, in the back here, you have a seat belt for the child and just empty backs. And the bottom is like that. Okay, let's put off the side, guys, now. And this, guys, is what the inside of the car looks like, okay? There's your battery, your cabling, your dashboard, and your interior top. And the doors actually have their own door cards. And the way, guys, the doors open is by a switch here. All the way on the end. Push it to the right. And they open up. Okay. Let's turn the car back upwards. Let's open up this door too. There you go. Wow. Amazing, guys. And now let's go ahead now and open up the other door. Wow. Amazing, guys. Show you the car from the front. And that's the car, guys. Aventador SVJ Super Veloce Iota.